When I first saw the photo of Sean, it broke my heart.
If I could find this guy, can we throw him a party?
We found Dancing Man.
It's happened, Danny. It's kicked off.
I walked out on stage and you just saw a mass on a dance floor full of people.
I'll go with my friends and I'll actually dance out there. I don't care if anybody's watching me. They can film it, they can do whatever they want.
I think this is all of a sudden a big issue of cyberbullying and bullying prevention, and we can like help each other and make something bigger out of it.
Because this is exactly what people needed to see.
We could all do something to stand up to bullying, and the Dance Free movement is all about that.